Good morning. My name is Warren-Kahles, and for this presentation, I'll be discussing proposed mission statement for the Haines City Fire Department as part of the strategic planning process. One of the first responsibilities of any strategic planning team is establishing a clear mission statement. Before an organization can develop goals, objectives, or performance measures, it has to define why it exists, who it serves, and the values that will guide every decision it makes. Bryson explains that a mission statement provides direction for employees, communicates purpose to stakeholders, and serves as the foundation for future strategic planning. The research also shows that organizations with clearly defined mission statements are better able to align their resources, priorities, and performance with the needs of the community that they serve. With that in mind, the planning team developed the following proposed statement. The Haines City Fire Department exists to protect life, property, and the environment by delivering exceptional emergency services, reducing community risk through prevention and education, developing highly professional public servants, and serving every citizen with integrity, compassion, and accountability. I'll now explain the reasoning behind each part of the statement. The organization's purpose. The first component is protecting life, property, and the environment. This statement defines why the department exists. While most people immediately think of putting out fires, today's fire service is much broader than that. Our responsibilities include emergency medical services, technical rescue, hazardous materials response, disaster management, fire prevention, public education, and protecting the environment during emergencies. Starting the mission statement with a core purpose gives the organization a clear identity. Every future goal, budget decision, staffing proposal, and operational initiative circles back to the mission statement. Citizen interest. The second component focuses on delivering exceptional emergency services while reducing community risk through prevention and education. Citizens expect their fire department to respond quickly when an emergency occurs. That's the most visible part of what we do. However, one of the greatest responsibilities of a modern fire department is preventing emergencies before they ever happen. Programs like fire inspections, smoke alarm installations, CPR classes, code enforcement, public education events, and pre-incident planning all reduce the risk throughout the community. Research on strategic planning in local government emphasizes that successful public organizations focus not only on responding to problems but also on creating long-term public value through prevention, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Including both emergency response and community risk reduction demonstrates that our responsibilities extend beyond emergency incidents and includes improving the overall safety of the community every day. Organizational excellence. The third component is developing highly professional public servants. No mission statement can be achieved without investigating the people responsible for carrying it out. The fire service continues to evolve every year. New technology changes in building construction, advances in emergency medicine, and increasing community expectations require firefighters to continually improve their knowledge and skills. Professional development includes technical training, leadership development, succession planning, and creating opportunities for employees to continue learning throughout their careers. Bryson explains that strategic planning should align employee development with organizational goals because an organization's greatest asset is its workforce. From my own experience in the fire service, I've learned that organizations become stronger when they invest in their people first. Well-trained employees make better decisions, provide better customer service, and create stronger organizations for the future. organizational values, and stakeholder expectations. The final component is serving every citizen with integrity, compassion, and accountability. Public trust is one of the most valuable resources any public organization possesses. Although response times and operational performance are important, citizens also judge their fire department by how they're treated during difficult moments in their lives. Whether we're responding to a structure fire, a medical emergency, or simply helping someone after a motor vehicle incident, professionalism and compassion matter. Integrity means making ethical decisions even when no one is watching. Accountability means responsibility, managing public resources, and remaining transparent with the community. Recent research on mission statements in public organizations shows that organizations are most successful when their mission clearly communicates not only what they do but also the values that guide their actions. Including these values reinforces the expectations placed on every member of the organization and helps build lasting trust with the citizens we serve. In closing, developing a mission statement is one of the most important steps in the strategic planning process because it establishes a common purpose before goals and initiatives are developed. The proposed mission statement defines why the department exists, reflects the interest of the community, emphasizes investment in employees, and establishes the values expected of every member of the organization. As additional stakeholder input is gathered throughout the strategic planning process, the mission statement may continue to evolve. However, these four components provide a strong strategic foundation that supports the department's long-term vision and commitment to serving the citizens.